What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, let me show you how you can change email on your SHEIN account. Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial is simple and easy to follow, so make sure to watch the video until the end. First things first, let's open the SHEIN app. Tap the Me tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then let's click on the gear icon or the settings tab. It is located at the upper right of the screen. Now your profile will show up. Let's click on manage my account. And then here, you can see your email address. Click on the email address. Now in the email address tab, click on the change option. SHEIN will ask for a verification code. Just type in the verification code that has been sent to your old email or your current email in SHEIN. Now in here, after typing the code, you can see input email. Just type in your new email address here and SHEIN will send you a verification code on your new email. Just put it in here and once you're done, click on submit and that's it. That's how to change email on SHEIN account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.